Hey guys, it's Candy and I'm here with another video. This is the hair from EayonHair. This is their water wave human hair, double drawn, yes, in 20 inches. Color is natural black. And I will title this one Extreme Boho Box Braids because we are going to be overdoing the amount of curls that we add. So I'm starting off with a regular braiding here. You can use any pre-stretched regular expression or canicle and braiding hair, and I am using 38 inches in length, and I just start braiding regular braids. It is a small piece of hair, and so when you use a small piece of hair, it does give the illusion as if it's knotless without you having to do the knotless process. So I already fed in my first piece of curly hair, and now I'm going to be adding the second piece. And you want to make sure that once you add the curly piece, you're adding it on the underside of the braid, and you're going to be braiding down for about a ½ inch before you pin the curl away, just to make sure that the hair is very secure and that you won't experience undue shedding. So on each of my braid, I did add 4 pieces of curly hair, guys, like I said. And actually I add 4 pieces of curls, and then when I get to the very end, I braid the hair all the way down and add just a ever so small piece of curl at the end so that it has that nice curly finish going all the way down. Now, bear in mind that you do not have to use this many curls on your braids. You could use 2 pieces, you can use 1 piece, you can use 3 pieces. The choice is yours depending on how full you want it to be and depending on how much curls you want to be visible in your boho style. So I did add that super small piece of curl to the end, making sure that I braid it all the way down because you don't want for your braid to come undone and for it to loosen. So definitely braid all the way down. So this is the first braid, guys, and we are going to just move on with the process, showing you guys another one. I'm starting off with a small piece of 38-inch expression braiding here. And once I braid a couple inches down, I'm adding my first piece of curl, braiding that for about a ½ inch. Then I pin it away, continue braiding. Again, when I get to a few inches down again, I am going to be adding my second piece. So let's count together. So this is 2 pieces so far. Add it again from the back of the braid. Braid down for a couple, about a ½ inch, then pin away. Continue braiding. Add the third piece. Pin that away. And we are braiding. And I'm adding my fourth piece. Pinning that away also. And continue. So now we're just pretty much finishing up the braid. And I'm going to be just adding a tiny piece of curly hair at the end, which I'm doing right now, and just braid all the way out. Yeah, pretty simple. So with that being done, guys, this is what the first row is looking like. And as you can see, the curls are quite visible. And this is what the progress is. I'm pretty much at the half mark. And as you can see, you're seeing more curls than anything else, which is the idea. But a little bit about the hair. Again, it's from EayonHair. It is their 100% human hair water wave. And this hair is 20 inches in length. The color is natural black and it is double drawn hair. And what that means is that they took the time to remove all the short pieces of hair. And so the density is consistent from the top of the hair to the bottom. Yeah, you don't have to worry about the ends being very thin. All right. So yeah, guys, we are actually finishing up the process. I did receive 3 packages, 3 packs of the water wave human hair, and for this look I did go ahead and use 2.5 packs. And for the braiding hair, I believe I used less than 4 bundles of the braiding here. All right, guys. So yeah, so we are literally on the last 2 braids in the front. And again, guys, I will definitely be leaving all the links down below for you so that you guys can purchase the curly human hair if you so choose, as well as all of the other details that you will need, discount code, etc., etc. So I am actually on the very last braid and I'm just adding my final pieces of curly hair and then it will be a wrap, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see how it turned out. The mission was accomplished. Okay, we wanted volume, we wanted fullness, and that we did achieve. Okay, guys, this hair, the quality is amazing for this style because it is super soft. You can run your fingers through it, and there are no tangles. So, guys, this is how the style turned out. Yeah, so the style still looks very manageable, even though we went with extreme boho, meaning a lot of curls. It still is very manageable. Why? Because the hair is lightweight, because I strategically use just a small amount of the braiding hair. And of course, the curly human hair does not carry any weight. Okay. So if you're looking to do boho braids and you're trying to source a human hair that actually has great quality and won't tangle and won't get dry, won't get frizzy, this is definitely a contender. So yeah, definitely check it out. Again, guys, I am so appreciative of you guys sticking and staying and watching. And if you have watched to the end, you are the real MVP. Drop a comment down below. Yes, interact and let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section down below. Like the video, share the video, and guys, you if you're not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Look at the curls. Okay, I love them. Like I was saying, if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, become a part of the Natural Hair Dynamics family, and hit the notification bell so you can see every time that we post. Again, thank you guys. Appreciate you all. And we will definitely catch up on my next one. Bye.